Come, come forth into the light of things. Let nature be your teacher. With this quote, I, Anjana, along with my friend Nitin, on behalf of entire grade 9, wish a very pleasant morning to honorable directors, respected principal, teachers, and all my beloved friends. We are highly gratified to present today's special assembly.
A good teacher makes a good pupil. This saying is relevant, and to emphasize this valuable quote, we celebrate Teachers' Day as every year as a mark of respect to our guiding lights. Teachers are the ones who teaches us the meaning of life. We dedicate today's assembly to all of those guiding lights.
Happy moments, praise God. Difficult moments, seek God. Painful moments, trust God. Every moment, just thank God. We begin with a morning prayer.
Hold my hand, God. Lead the way. Help me be good every day. Let me know what's wrong and right. Keep me safe day and night. Let me know what you have planned. Lead the way, God. Hold my hand.
Teachers' Day is celebrated in India on 5th of September. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President of independent India. Internationally, 5th of October is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Year 1994. The President of India, Shri Shankar Dayal Sharma, visited Muscat on an official trip. When the Air India flight carrying Indian President landed at Muscat, three rather unusual incidents took place. The first one, the late Sultan of Oman, Sultan Qaboos, never went to the airport to receive any dignitaries of any country. Never. But he made an exception this time and went to the airport to receive the President of India. When the flight landed, the Sultan of Oman, Sultan Qaboos, climbed up the aircraft stairs and received the President from his seat inside the aircraft. After alighting the flight, there was a car with a chauffeur waiting. But the Sultan signaled the driver to move and he himself drove the car with the president. Later, when the reporters questioned the Sultan why he broke so many protocols, the Sultan replied, I did not go to the airport to receive Mr. Sharma because he was India's president. I studied in India and learnt so many things. When I was studying in Pune, Mr. Sharma was my professor. That is why I did this. So that is the power of being a teacher.
Abraham Lincoln, the president of free America, wrote a letter to his son's teacher on the first day of his school, which sort of sums up what a teacher does for his or her students. Here, let me read out the same letter. My son starts school today. It is all going to be strange and new to him for a while, and I wish you would treat him gently. It is an adventure that might take him across continents, all adventures that probably include wars, tragedy, and sorrow. To live this life will require faith, love, and courage. So, dear teacher, will you please take him by the hand and teach him things he will have to know? Teaching him, but gently if you can. Teach him that for every enemy there is a friend. He will have to know that all men are not just, that all men are not true, but teach him also that for every scoundrel there's a hero, that for every crooked politician there's a dedicated leader. Teach him, if you can, that 10 cents earned is far more of value than a dollar found. In school, teacher, it is far more honorable to fail than to cheat. Teach him to learn how to gracefully lose and enjoy winning when he does win. Teach him to be gentle with people, tough with tough people. Steer him away from envy if you can, and teach him the secret of quiet laughter. Teach him, if you can, how to laugh when he is sad. Teach him there is no shame in tears. Teach him there can be glory in failure and despair in success. Teach him to scoff at cynics. Teach him, if you can, the wonders of books, but also give time to ponder the extreme mystery of birds in the sky, bees in the sun, and flowers on a green hill. Teach him to have faith in his own ideas, even if everyone tells them that they're wrong. Try to give my son the strength not to follow the crowd when everyone else does. Teach him to listen to everyone, but teach him also to filter all that he hears on a screen of truth and take only the good that comes true. Teach him to sell his talents and brains to the highest bidder, but never put a price tag on his heart and soul. Let him have the courage to be impatient. Let him have the patience to be brave. Teach him to have sublime faith in himself, because then he will always have sublime faith in mankind, in God. This is a tall order, teacher, but see what best you can do. He is such a nice little boy, and he is my son. So here is our tribute to our teachers. Here is a song by Lohita.
song is for those who inspire us today, who always lend a helping hand to help show us the way. This song is for those who see their students through the tough times in their lives. For that we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. This song is for those who heard the silent cries, who stepped in to wipe the tears from the children's eyes. For those who gave us a safe place to grow, a place for us to call our home. Forever we will know that you have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. This song is for those who taught us right from wrong, who taught us much more than their craft to help our minds grow strong. This song is for those who guide us through and through, so that we can make a life. For that we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. As I look back on my life and to the path within my reach, I hope I can change the life of those that I teach. I can make a difference. All I do is try to see a different world through the children's eyes. And I will always be there in everything I do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. And I will always be there in everything I do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you.
Now here are some riddles by Abhyuday.
Good morning to everyone. Today, I'm going to ask some riddles, and I request only teachers to answer these questions. Thank you. My first question: can you tell me how to make an egg roll? I repeat, can you tell me how to make an egg roll? The correct answer is, it is very simple. Just roll it. My next question: there are innumerable of tables of this kind, but there are no legs. What is that? I repeat, there are innumerable of this kind, but no legs. What is that? The correct answer is multiplication tables and timetables. What ended in the year 1990? I repeat, what ended in the year 1990? The correct answer is 1918. Yes, the year 1918 ended when the new year 1919 began. What is the opposite of dominance? I repeat, what is the opposite of dominance? The correct answer is Domi doesn't know. What is the difference between here, there, here and there? The correct answer is the letter T. What is the most struggling of all subjects? I repeat, what is the most struggling of all subjects? The correct answer is mathematics, because it has full of problems. I have ocean but no water. Who am I? I repeat, I have ocean but no water. Who am I? The correct answer is world map. My last question: what are the two animals that live in polar region? I repeat, what are the two animals that live in polar region? The correct answer is polar bear and its wife. Thank you.
Poem recitation by Geetanjali.
I'm Geetanjali. I'm going to recite a poem on teachers. Teachers paint their minds and guide their thoughts, share their achievements and advise their faults, inspire a love of knowledge and truth as you light the path which leads our youth. For our future brightens with each lesson you teach, each smile you lengthen, each goal you help reach. For the dawn of each poet, each philosopher and king begins with a teacher and the wisdom they bring. Thank you.
Acrostic poem presentation by grade 9.
Acrostic poems for teachers. V for valiant, A for adorable, M for merciful, S for sportive, H for humble, I for impeccable. Mom, she said, we will always be grateful to you for your support and kindness. Thanks for being a good mentor and for guiding us on the right path. Happy Teachers Day.
Acrostic poem. S for strong, H for hilarious, R for radiant, A for amazing, V for veteran, A for attractive, N for nutty, T for tremendous, H for homely, I for imaginative. Shravanti ma'am, a great teacher is the precious gift of student's life, and I am lucky to blessed by that one. Thank you, teacher, for your support, guidance, and unconditional love.
Acrostic poem. Attentive. A for attentive. S for splendid. I for iconic. M for magnificent. A for adaptable. These all words make Asima ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for giving us knowledge and motivation to make steps to our goals. These words can describe our teachers, but they cannot stand equally beside them. A for auspicious, R for reverent, C for cheerful, H for honest, A for awesome, N for noble, A for amazing. These all words make up our Hindi teacher, Miss Archana. Happy Teachers Day.
H for humble, A for adorable, R for reliable, I for informal, T for thoughtful, H for honest, A for ardent. Harita ma'am, thank you, thank you, thank you. What I want to say just adds up to one thing, a zillion thanks for being the wonderful teacher you are. Happy Teachers Day.
Guide, inspire, support, motivate. That's what they do. Our teachers. Happy Teachers Day. S for now there's a small acrobatic poem. S for skillful, R for responsible, I for intelligent, N for nobleman, I for imaginative, V for vibrant, A for affectionate, S for strong. Srinivas sir. Thank you sir for your hard work and struggle towards us. And once again, a happy teacher.
Happy Teachers Day. G for graceful, E for efficient, E for enthusiastic, ever encouraging, T for tender, H for happy, A for actively interactive, Geeta Mishra ma'am. Thank you.
Acrostic poem. P for polite, R for reliable, A for active, T for thoughtful, A for attractive, P for popular. Pratap sir. Sir, you don't teach us, but guide us. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
A for active. N for noble. J for joyful. A for admiring. N for noteworthy. A for amiable. Anjana ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your support and knowledge. Thanks to all our teachers who gave us knowledge.
D for determined, E for enthusiastic, V for venturesome, I for inventive. Devi ma'am. S for strong, A for ambitious, T for talented, E for excellent, E for encouraging, S for sincere, H for helpful. Satish sir. S for smiling, U for unique, S for smart, H for happy, M for magnificent, A for agreeable. Sushma ma'am. Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers who have helped us.
Happy Teachers' Day. You guided me. You supported me. Thanks for everything, teacher. Acrostic poem. P. Perfection. R. Rapturous. A. Astonish. N. Noble. I. Irrepressible. T. Tenacious. H. High flyer. A. Adaptability. Pranita ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for everything that you have given us.
Acrostic poem. K for Kindle. You are the Kindle to my interest in Telugu. Idealistic. You only hope for the best in everyone. Rapture. You always teach us with rapture. Affective. Your teaching has a very good effect on your students. Nurture. You nurture noble values within us. Kiran sir. Thank you. Thank you to all the teachers for all that you have done for us in this school and in our life. Once again, a happy Teachers' Day.
Teacher is a person who always helps everybody to get knowledge and always stands beside the students when they have problems. Thanks for being my teacher. Happy Teachers' Day. C. Acrostic poem. C. Charming. H. Hardworking. A. Affectionate. N. Noble-minded. D. Dynamic. A. Accommodating. N. Nimble. Chandana ma'am. Ma'am, thank you for your hospitality, love, and affection towards us. Thank you, teachers, for showing efforts that you have put on us in making a better person.
D for determined. You always impress and inspire. R for reflective. Always thoughtful. Q for understanding. A noble character. V for victory. Always win and make us win. I for intelligent. An A plus teacher. T for trustworthy. Your words are good as gold. H for happy. Always have a smile on your face. A for adventurous. Teach new things every single day. Dhruvita ma'am.
That brings us to the end of our special assembly. I, Nitin, on behalf of all my friends, wish all of our teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.